Hi, this is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR PharmaTube. In the last video, we understood the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction and its limitations. If you did not watch the video, hit the I button on top right of this video to watch it. For the other topics of benzene and its derivatives and organic chemistry, links are available in the description below this video. Watch them. In this video, we shall learn the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In the preceding video, we learnt how to introduce an alkyl group onto a benzene ring. A similar method is used to introduce an acyl group. The difference between the alkyl group and an acyl group are shown in the figures. An acyl group is a carbonyl group with an alkyl group attached to it. Acyl groups are named systematically by dropping the final E from the alkane name and adding the OYL suffix. For example, N-butane and butanoyl, N-pentane and pentanoyl, and so on. However, the historical names are often used for the formyl group, the acetyl group, and the propionyl group. An acyl chloride is an acyl group bonded to chlorine atom. Acyl chlorides are made by reaction of the corresponding carboxylic acids with the thionyl chloride. Therefore, acyl chlorides are also called acid chlorides. We consider to discuss acyl chlorides later when we discuss acid derivatives. Thus, the RCO group is called an acyl group, and a reaction whereby an acyl group is introduced into a compound is called acylation reaction. Acylation of aromatic compounds takes place in the presence of excess amount of Lewis acid because the product of the reaction is ketone which forms complexes with Lewis acid. For example, when benzene reacts with an acid chloride such as acetyl chloride in the presence of a Lewis acid such as aluminum chloride, a ketone that is acetophenone is formed. The reaction is an example of a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In an acyl reaction, an acyl group is transferred from one compound to another. Note that the acyl group is derived from the acid chloride and is introduced into an aromatic ring in the presence of a Lewis acid. Thus, a new group, that is acyl group, is bonded to the benzene ring. This reaction is analogous to the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction except that the reagent is an acyl chloride instead of an alkyl halide and the product is an acyl benzene, that is a phenone instead of alkyl benzene. The reaction mechanism is very similar to that of alkylation reaction discussed in the previous video. It also involves three steps. The first step is the formation of an electrophile which is called acylium ion in this reaction. The Lewis acid aluminum chloride ionizes the carbon halogen bond of the propionyl chloride, thus forming a positively charged carbon electrophile called propanoyl cation, an acylium ion, which is resonance stabilized. The second step is the electrophilic attack, in which the positively charged carbon atom of the propanoyl cation react with a pair of pi electrons of benzene to form cyclohexadienyl cation intermediate. This is then loses a proton to restore the benzene's aromaticity to give an aryl ketone known as 1-phenyl-1-propanone in the third step. The product of acylation, that is the acyl benzene, is a ketone. The ketone's carbonyl group has non-bonding electrons that complex with the Lewis acid, that is aluminum chloride, requiring a full equivalent of aluminum chloride in the acylation. The initial product is the aluminum chloride complex of the acyl benzene. Addition of water hydrolyzes this complex, giving free acyl benzene. The electrophile in the Friedel-Crafts acylation appears to be large, bulky complex such as RCOAlCl4. Para substitution usually prevails when the aromatic substrate has an ortho para-directing group, possibly because the electrophile is too bulky for effective attack at the ortho position. For example, when ethyl benzene reacts with acetyl chloride, the major product is para-ethyl acetophenone. One of the most attractive features of the Friedel-Crafts acylation is the deactivation of the product toward further substitution. The acyl benzene has a carbonyl group which is a deactivating group bonded to the aromatic group. Since Friedel-Crafts reactions do not occur on strongly deactivating rings, the acylation stops after one substitution. Thus, Friedel-Crafts acylation overcomes two of the four limitations of the alkylation reaction. The acylium ion is resonance stabilized so that no rearrangements occur, and the acyl benzene product is deactivated so that no further reaction occurs. Like the alkylation, the acylation fails with strongly deactivating aromatic rings. An important difference between Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylations is that acyl cations do not rearrange. The acyl group is transferred to the benzene ring unchanged. An acyl cation is so strongly stabilized by resonance that it is more stable than any ion that could conceivably arise from it by a hydride or alkyl shift. As discussed, acyl chlorides are readily prepared from carboxylic acids by reaction with thionyl chloride. Carboxylic acid anhydrides, compounds of the type RCOO-COR, are also sources of acyl cations, and in the presence of aluminum chloride, acylate benzene. One acyl unit of an acid anhydride becomes attached to the benzene ring and the other becomes part of a carboxylic acid. See the reaction. There are certain noticeable salient features of Friedel-Crafts acylation phenomenon that would be discussed here. Number 1. Absence of carbocation rearrangement. Since the carbonium ion gets duly stabilized by resonance according to the sequence of reactions shown here. Thus, the positive charge located on the oxygen atom in the carbonium ion gets adapted to the resonating structures in the benzene ring to structures 1 and 2 respectively, and so on and so forth. Number 2. Decarboxylation from the acylium ion. It may be critically observed that the so-called side chain results in the formation of the carbonium ion. This is further on being subjected to treatment with an aromatic ring, for example benzene, yields an alkylated benzene derivative. Number 3. Friedel-Crafts acylation serves as intramolecular reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation is found to be solely applicable in carrying out the cyclization phenomenon, that is ring closure, particularly to the 6-membered ring systems, 5-membered ring systems and the heterocycles. Let us examine the following two classical examples. Number 1. The benzoyl chloride yields the 1-hydrinone upon cyclization with a Lewis acid aluminum chloride. And number 2. The benzobutyl chloride gives the tetraline on being subjected to cyclization on heating with aluminum chloride as shown. And number 4. Friedel-Crafts acylation using cyclic or open chain with a cyclic anhydride. When benzene reacts with succinic anhydride, which is an aliphatic cyclic anhydride, in the presence of aluminum chloride forms a phenyl propionate ketone. This is then reduced to eliminate the carbonyl group of the side chain to give 1-phenyl butanoic acid. This reduced compound is protonated to remove a molecule of water to yield 1-benzocyclohexanone. Thus, we finally obtain a bicyclic compound from a monocyclic compound with an open chain anhydride. Here, benzene reacts with acetic anhydride, which is an open chain anhydride or a carboxylic anhydride that forms a complex with aluminum chloride. Note that we obtain two divergent ketones, that is aryl ketone and alkyl ketone, due to the interaction of benzene with an acetic anhydride in the presence of aluminum chloride. The Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reactions are important for two reasons. First, the alkylation is useful for preparing certain alkyl benzenes, and the acylation reaction is an excellent method for the synthesis of aromatic ketones. The second is they provide other ways to form carbon-carbon bonds. Here is an updated list of carbon-carbon bonds. Number 1. Addition of carbenes and carbenoids to alkenes. Number 2. Reaction of Grignard reagents with ethylene oxide and lithium organocuprate reagents with epoxides. Number 3. Reaction of acetylenic anions with alkyl halides or sulfonates. Number 4. Diels-Alder reaction. And number 5. Friedel-Crafts reaction. This table summarizes the differences between Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reactions. This is the list of references followed for the lesson. That's all in this video, the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction of benzene. In the next lesson, we will learn substituents, effect of substituents on reactivity, and the orientation of monosubstituted benzene compounds towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.